Angel here, licensed DEH safe body art practitioner here at babyearpiercing.com. Just coming at you with the subject of an earring backing becoming stuck. This is a proper backing, and this is how the backing should sit behind the ear, just sitting. But sometimes you might notice that the backing has become crooked. And what that means is, let's make this crooked, that the backing has been knocked sideways off its track. Now, this situation can be difficult in the case of the earring post itself has been bent and wedges itself up underneath one of these flat backings. But if the earring backing has simply just been knocked sideways off its track, you can simply just reposition it and straighten it out. And now it is back on its track. So again, showing you without the ear, you can see this better. If it is knocked sideways, the earring backing off its track, it can simply just be pushed back on track. And you might want to think about replacing the backing, because if it does that so many times, the backing can become weakened, and then these curls that hold in the earring post by tension or friction can become weakened with the misshapening, and then backing loss or earring loss can occur. So that is pushing the earring backing back on its track. So let's get a little more serious here. Talking about removing a backing. If the backing is lodged, then you can simply uncurl one of these backings. And when you uncurl it, the earring backing will simply drop off. Now, do make sure that you have extra backings on hand, because once you do that, you will not be able to use this backing again. It will be destroyed, unsafe, and not usable. So to remove the backing, you simply grasp. I always forget that these pliers are too big for this demo, but I'm going to try to do it anyhow, and I did it, grasping and turning. And it simply comes off. Another quick trick is to thread the backing with new clean dental floss. You will hold the gem head for removal and thread it through and wind it very securely around your fingers for removal. You want to make certain that you don't put any tension on the ear and create any type of damage, trauma, or tearing to the ear from the post. So you must hold the gem head very securely, and you will pull. The backing will then bend, misshapen, and disengage. I hope you find this information helpful. babyearpiercing.com. Angel here, licensed DEH safe body art practitioner.